I won't lie to you. This one was a challenge. A lot of tedious sewing on this one, but we got it all done. And taking the actual boat apart was really probably the hardest part. These crown lines aren't a joke, but we replaced all the vinyl in the boat. Add new straps to snap on, all that. French seams everywhere. Bolsters, huge bolsters. Go ahead and lay this out just a little flat for storage. We put the embroidery back in, the crown line. It's the old logo. Turned out good. We also put the carbon fiber in there, just to give it that pop. You can see this lays out. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. It was a challenge, but that's what makes it worth it at the end. So take some pictures, send it to the customer, and we're good to go.